For a permanent asphalt pothole repair, follow a proven cold patch and compaction method that creates a durable, bonded surface. Start by removing loose debris and vegetation from the pothole using a stiff broom or wire brush. Then square the edges with a cold chisel or saw to create clean vertical faces so the new material can bond to solid asphalt. If water is present, dry the hole with a leaf blower or use a hand torch briefly to evaporate moisture but avoid overheating surrounding asphalt. Use Quikrete commercial-grade high-performance blacktop repair directly from the bag, pouring in layers and tamping each layer firmly. This product is designed for permanent repairs when installed correctly. Overfill the hole by 2 to 3 inches above the surrounding surface to allow for compaction settlement and to ensure a tight, crowned finish that sheds water. Compact each layer with a heavy hand tamper or mechanical plate compactor until the material no longer compresses. Then place a stiff piece of 2x4 grade plywood over the filled hole and drive a vehicle tire across it several times to achieve final densification and bonding. Finally, check the repair for level and seal the perimeter with an asphalt emulsion if small gaps remain to prevent water infiltration. The most common mistake is failing to square the edges, which prevents proper bonding and leads to premature failure. So always cut or chip vertical edges before filling. Another frequent error is insufficient compaction, which leaves voids and causes sinking. So compact in layers and use the plywood plus vehicle method for final densification. A third issue is installing the repair while the hole is wet. Moisture blocks adhesion and shortens lifespan. So dry the hole thoroughly before applying the blacktop repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project how-to content that complements this repair method. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experience, tips, and photos so we can all learn from each other.